Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you about how to do a split screen on a MacBook Air. Step 1. Hover your mouse over the green circle full screen button in the left corner of an open window. A drop down menu should appear. Step 2. Click on either title window to left of the screen or title window to right of the screen to display your current window on the left or right side of your screen respectively. Step 3. Depending on what you selected, your current window will be on the left or right of the screen. Step 4. On the other half of the screen, you see all of your other open windows. Click the one you want to view and it should snap into place beside the original window. Step 5. To switch window position, click and drag one to the left or right. The windows should swap places. Step 6. If you like one window to be larger than the other, you can resize them by clicking and dragging the border between the two windows. Both windows will still fill the entire screen. Step 7. To exit split view, hover over the top of the screen until the gray menu bar reappears. Next, hover over the green circle button and select exit full screen. Alternatively, you can click the green circle button. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos and guides like this. Thank you so much.